Hi friends, it's Miss Kyra here with San Francisco Ballet's Dance at Schools and Communities team, and I'm here with another dance lesson for you all. In today's lesson, we're going to be exploring shapes, shadows, and pathways, similar to the patterns of the sun. First, we're going to be answering some questions we may have about the sun. Then we're going to be grabbing a lamp, and lastly, we're going to explore different ways that we can cast shadows with our body. All right, let's get going. So you might be wondering, what even is the sun? Well, the sun is a big spinning star that sends energy to our solar system through light and heat. Without that energy, our planet wouldn't have seasons, daytime, nighttime, or even life. With its spin, we're able to get daytime and nighttime. When Earth is in the shadow of the sun, it's nighttime. When it's in the light, it's day. Now go ahead and grab a flashlight, a lamp, or anything that could be a possible light source for this little dance experiment, because we're going to use it to cast some shadows. Now once you have that set up, I'm going to meet you in a shape that covers up your light source. In 3, 2, 1, cover. Nice. Now is your shape right now big or small? Okay, think about that answer. Can you make that shape even bigger? Even bigger? Even bigger till it's definitely covering up all of your light. And now, can you make that shape small, 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 back to its original size, and then even smaller, freeze. Nice job. Now, are you near or far to your light source right now? Think about that too. And if you're near, can you move in your exact shape far away? And if you're far, can you go back to near? And now, if you were small before, can you make your shape big, near to your light source, and then far away from your light source? And if you're far, can you make your shape small, and then go back near, and then big again, and then playing around with that a little bit more. Big and small, far, and near, and freeze. What are you noticing about that right now? I'm noticing that when you make a big shape far away from your light source, you cover up a lot of light. And even when you make a small shape near your light source, you're covering up a lot of light too. How cool. Now, in the same way that the Earth makes circles around the sun, we are going to make circles or travel around our light source. I want you to make a new shape in 3, 2, 1. Very nice shape, everyone. Now, let's travel around. Let's go. Traveling around our light source. And then in the second time that you circle, I want you to make that shape even smaller. How can you make it smaller? And then go really big for this one. And then any which way you want. You could go big or small, traveling around, orbiting, and freeze. Nice. We've done a little bit of multitasking now. We're traveling in a shape, which is kind of hard to do. Now, we are doing so well that I think we can add on a last element, a third element, which is spinning at the same time. Because the Earth also spins as it travels around the sun. So I want you to make one last shape. In 3, 2, 1, go. Nice shape, friends. Okay, now let's travel around, orbiting, circling, and spinning ourselves at the same time. Do you think you can do it? In 3, 2, 1, spinning around and circling our light source. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling a little bit dizzy. Are you, friends? Last time. Circling, 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 circling. Freeze. And one more time, just for good measure. Circling. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Find your balance, find your balance, find your balance. And give yourself a pat on the back because you did a lot of thinking and a lot of moving today. Thanks so much for joining me as we explored shapes, shadows, and pathways. I hope now you feel confident that you can create art and ideas about meaningful topics. I would love to see how your body wants to move when it's inspired by other things in nature. Thank you again for joining me, and I hope to dance with you again soon. Bye, everyone.